Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have a SheModern tutorial for you. But aside from that, I am doing my voiceover because on this video I am also announcing a giveaway sponsored by SheModern. So yes, I'm very excited for that. So this is my very first SheModern giveaway. And let me go over the rules. I'd like you to listen to the rules as you are enjoying the video of the tutorial. This giveaway is only open to the US, and there are going to be 5 winners. So let me repeat. This giveaway will be for 5 US only winners, okay? The prize will be one of these foil art designs that you see of your choice. So you may choose the foil design of you're choosing. Remember, as you've seen from other videos, some of these are solid colors like these that I'm holding right now. Some of them are outlined so you can color them in, and they come in multiple colors. They come in, you see these are pink, like a hot pink. There's reds, silver, hollow, blue, black. Have you seen them on my videos? So you may choose one of these, and that will be the prize to 5 winners, as I've been repeating. And part of the rules that you have to do, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel as well as SheModern's, of course. And your subscriptions must be public so that I can validate your entry. You must be over the age of 18. And I want you to do 2 other things. I am going to send you on an Easter hunt. So one of the things I want you to do on this video, comment below egg hunt, okay? Aside from that, the Easter egg hunt is going to be on my SheModern playlist. I made a playlist just for SheModern. There are only 5 videos. So 2 out of the 5 videos have polls in them. I'd like you to go find those 2 videos, answer the poll. While you're there, give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already, if you haven't seen it. And leave me a comment on that video telling me which answer from the poll you chose. Remember, there's 2 of them. So ultimately, I'm looking for you to leave 3 comments. One on this video, which is egg hunt, and leave me a comment with your answers on the other 2 videos, SheModern videos, where I have hidden the polls. So yes, there will be 3 comments from you. The winners will be picked at random, and I am going to announce them on Sunday, March 11th. So that leaves you a week that I'll be running this giveaway for. If you guys have any questions, leave them below, but I believe it's pretty simple. Yes, I'm making it a little, I thought I'll have fun with this one, and being in lieu that we're close to Easter, I've thought about doing that Easter egg hunt. So yes, go find those polls, guys, and I'd like to wish you all good luck and have fun. I will leave these instructions or these rules down in the description bar below if you guys don't remember them all. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.